What is up, people? What is up? It's the Pro Trader here, just uploading another video, doing some technical analysis on Lithium Australia. Haven't been uploading for a while, but we're back, and had the whole COVID thing happening, and just slowly getting back into a routine. This is just a video that I put up today. Technical analysis on Lithium Australia. If you like it, give it a like and subscribe, and even just a note on any other stocks that you want me to provide some technical analysis on. And with these technical analysis, it'll just probably be mainly sorting out the charts, graphing up lines, trend lines, resistance and support levels. And also reading level 2s. So obviously at the end of the day, everyone has to do their own research, but this is just some technical analysis that I had done for a friend of mine, and I sent him the video, and I thought, well, since I did the video, I might as well upload it. So enjoy Lithium Australia. And the date is Monday the 18th of January 2021. Hey, what's up, man? I thought I'd just run you through a quick video, just to explain a few things about technical analysis, and also just reading level 2 charts and how I respond to your question on how do I do it. So it's pretty much, this is how it's done, and you see we're 31% up on the day. If you see here, the market's been really trying to push this this level here at 13 cents. And if we look at it, there's a lot more buying interest than there is selling interest. But there's enough selling interest there to actually make us feel confident to get in the market. So what we're doing now is we're trying to analyze. If you look here on this is just an accounting side, but just on here on the immediate left-hand side. Look, I've actually got to just apologize for the background noise. Just buying it, it is a home setting, so I do have the kids and just friends and family over during the day, so yeah. You can see that all these buy orders here, 1.65 mil, 2 mil, 2 mil, 1.3 mil, 2.3 mil. You can see that, and there's a big one down here, 5.1 mil. So all of these add up to about. All of these add up to about 14.7 mil, all up buy orders. So what we can say is this big one here is going to take a little bit. So you can see that there's a big buy order of about 5.16 million shares at 10 cents. So you can safely say that if you put your stop loss at about 10 cents, you can say that would be a safe support level. But on the other hand, if you look over here on the sell orders, you can see that they've got a big one, a fairly big one here, around about 2 mil, and then you've got another one here at about 1 mil at 13.5 cents. So you've got 13 cents, 13.5 cents. If you notice after that, you've got some fairly shallow ones. You've got 645k. 490k, 700k, 78k, 261, and it just thins out, and you've got about 20k here at 17.5 cents. What that means is, if the market were to break down this, which is what it's currently trying to do, which is why it's getting squeezed, what it does is it breaks down that 1.9 million shares. You get buyers come up and buy. It'll bring it down. you get more buyers come in and buy and buy, and then as we start to break down this figure and this figure, then it will actually expose us to all these small ones here. And with this much buying interest and these sort of shallow numbers is where you see these massive gains, quick gains in the market. So you would have, if we could turn back time before when it was at $1.05, you see that the market squeezed up to this sort of area. You would have seen the same sort of numbers, maybe not the same numbers, but the same percentage of numbers around here before this actual breakup here a couple of hours ago. So we'll be expecting to see similar things here, and that just depends on people coming in and just having the guts to go in and just buy whatever's needed here. So this is obviously on an hour chart, and you can see that on multiple levels. Let's bring in the big screen, so you can see here what it's done here. So as you can see, you would have seen the market push up, hit that sort of big number here at around 10.5 cents. I come down and I bounce off the VWAP, which is what we want to see. Bounce off the VWAP, and it's actually there was 2 resistance levels. You could see that, which is actually what we have. We actually have a 13-cent resistance level, and we definitely have a 13.5-cent resistance level based on the level 2. So this one here took a couple of goes to try and get rid of that level. It's come down, bounced off the trend line and the VWAP, and just come through and bust through that. It's taken a little while. It's actually burst through that resistance and used it as a support. Bit of a resistance up here, and it's actually bounced off the trend line again, and stayed there. And then that's when it's broken through that. There was a previous resistance at 11 cents, and when it breaks through, this is what we see. We see these very rapid rises in the market, and that's what it is. So just the sheer volume of interest in the buy orders tells us that we could be fairly confident that the market is on an uptrend. And what we need to see more of these. Obviously there's been a spike in this 5 minute gap. Someone's come in and probably purchased around about 4 million shares. So if we can get someone to come in and purchase 4 million shares, that would obviously just skyrocket the market up until about either 17, 18, or possibly even 20 cents, which we would probably expect another resistance at around 20 cents. So that's how we break down. Level 2, and what we do to decide to whether we're going to get in or not. So hope you enjoyed the video, bro, and hope it's just taught you a little bit more about technical analysis, and not just seeing the charts but also seeing the numbers.